Hi viewers, welcome back to Siri Algorithms YouTube channel. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. In this video, I am going to explain about the string methods. There are total 47 methods are there right now. So I am going to explain one by one through the code. Please walk through with me. So let me open the Jupyter notebook. Please wait. So here is the environment. So first, if you want to see how many methods are there in the string, just simply write print of directory of dir of string str. Now you can see these all are the methods. Total 47. Now one by one we will discuss. What is capitalize? Capitalize is a method. It simply convert the first character of the string to uppercase and rest of the characters in the lowercase only. See the example. Name is equal to Python print of name dot capitalize. See, first character only converted to uppercase, rest all in the lowercase only. Next, upper is a method. It is going to convert each and every character of the string to uppercase. Take an example. str1 is equal to something like Java print of. First you need to write the variable name, next method, upper. See, every character converted to uppercase. Next, lower. Lower is a method. It is going to convert each and every character of the string to lowercase. The whole string will be converted to lowercase. A is equal to data signs. You can go to print of a dot lower. See output. The whole string converted to lowercase. So casefold also similar to the lower only. The whole string will convert to the lowercase. Take some example. A1 is equal to Python print of a1 dot casefold output. So both are same, lower and casefold. Swap case is different. So if the given string, if uppercase letters is there, that convert to lower, lowercase letters to uppercase. Just take one example. str1 is equal to data signs. So you can see some part of the string it is in uppercase and some part it is in the lowercase. But when I try to use the swap case, str1 dot swap case, you can see it is vice versa. That means uppercase letters to lower, lowercase letters to uppercase. Next, zfill is a format method. That means if you want to align the string into the right side, zfill is the method. So zfill won't take any filling character. By default it is 0 only. So take one example, A is equal to Python. So print of A dot zfill. So zfill take one argument, that is length of the string. If you don't pass that argument and if you execute, you can see the error. Zfill takes exactly one argument, that is nothing but length of the string. So the total length I want to set to 20, then you can execute. It won't take the filling character, by default it is 0 and where the text is aligned in the right side. Next, center. Center is also a formatting method, that means it will align the string into the center. So take the A1 is equal to Python, same example, print of A1 dot center. So center takes two arguments. First one is length of the string and second argument is filling character. If you don't give any fill character, it will default is white space only. Just take 20 and you can see the text alignment is middle. And the remaining all it is in the white spaces. But if you want, you can take the character. If you not only the special character, if you want, you can take the alphabet also, either small letters or maybe a capital letters or any number also, numeric number also. Maybe I want to fill with the 7, you can see. Anything you can take it here. But the alignment, the string alignment is center. Ljust is like a left alignment. If you want to align the string into the left side, just use the ljust. So A2 is equal to Python. So print of A2 dot ljust. So ljust also takes two arguments. One is length of the string and second one is fill character. If you don't give any fill character, it default is white space only. But text alignment is the left side only. Execute and see. Why it is raised the error? Expected at least one argument, but you haven't given any argument here. So the first argument is nothing but length of the string. Fill character, it is optional. If you don't give the fill character, default is white space only. Just length I am giving like a 20. Maybe if you want, you can give like a 30. Anything. You can see. Alignment is in the left side and remaining is the white space. But if I specify the any special character here, maybe ash, you can see total length of the string is 30. And rjust is a method. This is also a formatting. If you want to align the text into the right side, a small difference between the zfill and the rjust is, here it won't take the fill character. By default it is always is 0 and text alignment always in the right side. Same here also, rjust will take the fill character but text alignment is in the right side only. So A4 is equal to Python. So print of, first write the variable name A4 dot rjust. Go to rjust and length I taken 20. You can see it is in the right side and remaining, because I haven't given any fill character, that's why white space. But if you want, you can give the character here. You can see. And count is a method. If you want to see the specified value, how many times it occurred in a main string, if you want to see that number, use the count. So let me take an example. str1 is equal to all are regular, something I'm taking here. I just want to count how many times A occurred in the main string. So write the first variable name str1 dot count of, which one you want to count? A, this character. See, total 3 times. Here is 1 time and second time and third time, you can see. Not only this, a word, if you want, all, how many times it occurred into the main string? Only 1 time. So count is nothing but, if you want to see the how many times it occurring into the main string, a specified value is nothing but all here. So these are the 10 methods I explained in this video, and in next video I am going to explain 11 to 20. Please follow my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you in next video. Thank you.